What else?
Hello guys, welcome back to another edition of Ghanaian Street Food Review. So today we are here to take the second part of our plantain chips video with Hajia. We are here at Medina and she has relocated. We actually had to find out where she lives now, and then we are here to give you the second part of the video. We know that most of you have a lot of questions, and we are here to answer all the questions you had for the part one. So we are here today to take you through the plantain chip video. The other time we took for the unripe plantain. Today we are doing for the ripe plantain, and then also for the unripe plantain. Come with us as we take you through the second part. Okay, so as I promised, today we are doing the ripe plantain. You can see that this one is ripe. So from here, she peels it, and then it comes out in this form. Before she quickly slices it out, and then it goes into the oil. So for you to know the difference, when you see the yellow plantain chips packaged, it comes from this one, the unripe plantain. And when you see the brown one in the package, it comes from the ripe plantain, like this. So we have these two in the market, the yellow and the brown. So at the moment she's peeling the unripe plantain for us to make the yellow plantain chips. So it's not really a difficult process, okay? She's using the basic knife we all have in our homes. Okay. Yeah. But she carefully does it in a way that it doesn't cut her hand. Yeah. So one may ask, why after peeling the plantain, it's not being washed before slicing it and then fry them? So we want to ask her, we plantain
ain't na yemfo nse ene na yema na nkola so endwa amaye no nse yen kwasa na yebedwa medwa kakra na ma cheze sese ne ebeye to say efini nye de enfo nse medwa kakra na ma che medwa kakra na ma che ene na yeye.
So it's actually for safety. Prevent the risk of she cutting her hand when flying, because once she adds the water from what she said, it becomes a little bit slippery once she uses the cutter to slice the plantain. That's why she doesn't also involve children. And then once she's done here, it goes straight to prevent any dust from coming to contact with the plantain.
Me yare de ya na ma pain brano na me sande malaria say heat no gross so that be okra from ya metimi hu wo se me ni echi nyina enwi ni nyina tete ti that be ho no mutimi be kaja di she na jana shim papa be hu se eyi it we say no afe na ma bechi yellow plantain ene de me twa gu wo we de e kan plantain
questions that you had. So as you can all see, she's slicing the plantain and she's using the slicer. This is a special slicer she has been using. It's very fast. At the same time, she's very careful about it that it doesn't cut her palm. Yes, so guys, I'm trying to get all your questions answered from the previous video. See, Amelia, one of the commonly asked questions about food and you say now ultimate taste ever plantain chips. Because people want to or you and son of a chips. Baby, no, and anything. And to name now, but it's a person put strong singer. A young woman, chino, what plantain chips.
And yet, and Chinibia and I did go say, Uncle Sianchin. Uncle Sianchin, and they say I am that. It's two baby, send their Mrs. Mrs. Savia. Namidi, the name of the children and Sana Namidi, the Amar channel, Namidi.
Because the children are not here. How about one and I say, a
powder one.
Yes, when you do a how it's make it sure.
A binny,
Okay.
any. To stand say, I know what they are put to see. We are no after share. Yeah, for share, come. I have been to say the rubber nature, plantain chips. Now, rubber no so where then the rubber chips plantain chips. Some will buy and move by and son of a banner day oil edible. Move share no the rubber can. Yeah, for rubber can. Basket where what jaho. The basket no. Say Ben Janu say ya, it's me nane. Say we woman nane. Na say jua, what me who say basket no, and tartare. Plantain, who let plantain who I share, so would you fall no evanshi. I am now for focus the rubber nature, the normal boa. Your far rubber beer and chair again. Some one can some cramp for my who send the yachi and your mammy fan. Mobile and young far rubber beer boy, I'll make a say the rubber boy in moon eddy chair again. The Obeka said the rubber nature plantations in the cramp for the young boy cry, it mean for rubber. Me and chin in the crack and chin in the moon. Mobile is one who said she me, no, was yanking. And one edgy and your fashy and phantom.
So she's correcting some of the exceptions people have about plantain chips. Why would you say that somebody uses plastic to fry? It doesn't really make sense. She's actually here to
Also,
teach us the right way to do it and to make sure that we clear our minds of any false information that we have about plantain chips. Next one is say, I see, yeah, that's not how many say
it's your hapa. Kaka area body and no, better way to win so 15 cities to cry day.
So I'm just asking her about how she's supposed to promote the kids here. Because me sitting here, I'm not having it easy. So that's something that she goes through a lot through all this whole process. She drinks a lot of water to make sure that she's hydrated. She can herself well throughout the process.
I'm sure. Wait, a cocoa, brown one. A bit new, sir, my brown one. bɛyɛ dɛdɛn. Ase edwuma bi a na ɔmepɛ edwuma koraa na magyae.
Okay, so as I earlier mentioned, staff stores or so this question
Ja, oluma bi na ɛyɛ de brɛ yɛ. Ayɛ yɛtua. Yɛde atu nkwanza. We nkaka. O ka so le brani a e wo gya no so e be hye. De e ka se le brani na wa asesa. O sisa e be brani wo basket.
So it doesn't have to be brown in the oil. From what she's saying, once you see it turn out, so brown itself by itself.
We
Basket.
you be chere.
It's a 5-star plantain chips factory. Yes, all that. So you can see how they it's coming out uncontrollably. So this is the point where you usually pour the water to control the heat. Here we are all learning. Once it's food, this is how it comes out. Yeah, so guys, once the plantain is ready, she collects everything and then pours it into this basket for it to cool down and bring out the remaining oil into the saucepan. Once that is done, it comes into this pan where it further cools down before packaging. So you can see I can cut because it's very it has cooled down. You can see how it's dark brown because it's the ripe plantain. Yeah, so you can see I'm so dehydrated. This year is so massive, so I have to drink water myself to cool down and continue for you guys. I want to watch. Okay guys, so this is why we call the first right
Let them win.
It's not just any kind of plantain Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah.
All the best.
Oh, I let the mama do my, I let the mama to me, my, it me she shall be conquered,